Lorelyn here, and today I am excited to show you guys my new mini PC from Intel. Last week nag-post ako ng looking for suggestion kasi sobrang crowded na yung PC or setup ko sa taas. So yun, naghahanap ako ng compact, portable at kayang-kaya yung mga task na ginagawa ko at papalag sa gaming. Okay, aside sa unit, tignan natin ano pa ba yung laman ng box na to. Okay, so documents, user guide. Ito naman yung mounting tools with screws. Next ay yung power connector at power adapter. At syempre yung unit. Specs-wise, it has a Intel Core i7-7567U CPU with a base clock speed of 3.5 GHz up to 4 GHz turbo speed. Intel Iris Plus 650 GPU, 8GB of DDR4 RAM which can go up to 32GB, 1 M.2 SSD connector, and Intel Optane memory ready. Intel Dual Band Wireless AC8265 2x2x867 Mbps, Dual Mode Bluetooth 4.2. For the connectivity, up front it has two USB 3.0, audio jack, microphone, power button, and infrared sensor. At the back, it has HDMI 2.0, Intel Gigabit LAN, another two USB 3.0, and a Thunderbolt 3 connector. If you want to add external GPU for a much better gaming experience, then yes, Intel NUC supports it. At the side of the unit, it has SD card slot, Kensington lock, and the vent holes to keep the unit cool. This is available in multiple variation. The one I have here is the i7, which is isa sa top of the line model nila and should be more than enough for my daily needs such as multimedia works and of course gaming. Okay, so dito ko na sinet up to sa aking living room. Ayan, connected na siya sa PC ko. But keep this in mind guys that you can also plug this mini PC sa ibang screen like monitor, portable monitor, and television. Yes! Pwede na siya maging PC in instant. Ikakabit mo lang yung mini PC sa monitor mo. Boom! Kumpleto na! Isa din sa nagustuhan ko dito ay yung sobrang bilis na storage. So hindi lang siya pang gaming, editing, pwede din siyang pang office tasks. Kasi ito guys, nagka-copy ako ng 38GB files. Ayan, ganyan siya kabilis. Mabilis na storage means mabilis na loading time sa games. Ayan, kung makikita nyo, 6 minutes lang yan. Kung sa lumang PC ko, siguro aabutin niya ng 1 oras. Ganyan siya kabilis. With all that in mind, let's try out the unit!
Playing games with the Intel NUC is amazing, even with the demanding games to date. So as you guys can see, the i7 CPU, the Intel Iris 650 GPU can handle this demanding game smoothly while maintaining the beautiful details. Kayang-kaya ni Intel NUC. It can handle any MOBA game to date without any issues even on the highest settings possible. The gameplay is still smooth and no problem at all. At syempre, since kayang-kaya niya sa MOBA, kayang-kaya din ang mga FPS o first-person shooting games. I also tried the Intel NUC in one of the demanding racing game to date. So as you guys can see, the graphics is so beautiful, the gameplay is smooth and fluid. And guys, naka-high settings tayo dito by the way. So makikita nyo talaga na kayang-kaya ni Intel NUC yung loads.
And that's it about gaming. As you guys have witnessed, it is powerful enough to play demanding games to date. And since this is a small PC, you can bring this to a LAN party. Kasyang-kasya yan sa bag mo, pero kailangan mo ng protective case para dun. Moving on, aside sa gaming, I also do video and photo editing. So with that said, try na natin.
Starting with the Sony Vegas, actually guys, as editor, kailangan ko ng malakas at stable na PC or laptop pero never ko in-expect na kaya din pala to ni mini PC. Well, actually, this is my first time to use mini PC. Like this one, yung maliit at portable talaga.
Anyways guys, I'm currently rendering a 1-minute video with filters and effects. And currently, ayan yung render time niya, 1 minute lang. So yun, yan ang kailangan talaga ng editor, yung kaya mag-meet up ng demands. Stig, di ba?
Moving on sa photo editing, medyo demanding din to, pero with the Intel NUC, kayang-kaya rin mag-edit ng mga high-resolution RAW files. So mas appreciate ko guys mag-edit sa big screen like this one kasi madalas nag-edit ako sa standard PC monitor like 27 inches, mga ganun lang kalaki. So thankfully, kayang-kaya ni Intel NUC yung mga ganitong workload. Again, I am impressed.
Another thing with the Intel NUC is that pwede ko itong gamitin as playback device. Kasi kahit na high-end tong TV ko, never ko siyang sinaksakan directly ng USB para mag-play ng movie. Dati ang gamit ko ay laptop, pero ngayon Intel NUC na. Kaya niya mag-play ng 4K nang walang problema. At isa din sa nagustuhan ko dito ay yung maliit siya. Sobrang portable pero powerful enough sa mga tasks. And that's it guys! Again, the Intel NUC is very capable in editing and of course gaming. Okay na okay yung gaming experience ko dito. Smooth lang at kayang-kaya. Again, this is LORELYNF and thank you so much for watching.
This video is sponsored by Intel and I would like to thank Intel for sending this amazing mini PC.